Vlogmas Day. Bye.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those.
Happy Vlogmas, everybody. Yay! It's Vlogmas Day 1, you guys, and I'm super excited today. It's Vlogmas Day 5. Are you guys excited? I am super excited. Please excuse my appearance. I already know I look like Whoopi Goldberg. Alright, you guys, so it is Thursday, December 5th. I hope you guys enjoyed the intro this year. I really wanted to, you know, do an upgrade because last year's Vlogmas honestly was like not planned at all. Didn't know what I was doing, but had fun making it and editing it. So get out of my room. Get out of my room. Today is just gonna be like a day where I study for my finals, cleaning the house up because I haven't cleaned the dishes in like 2-3 days. Hate seeing dishes in my kitchen. Like, I don't know about anybody else, but I have to clean it because if you guys don't know, it's basically the end of the fall semester and I gotta get my life together, okay? I'm getting ready to go to UCF if you guys didn't know. It's been taking way too long to get into that school, but it's okay. I will be there in the spring, so if you guys are going to be at UCF and you guys know of me, say hi because I think I'm probably gonna vlog the first day, but I don't really know. I'm kind of scared. Like this video if you think I should vlog on the first day of classes for UCF. Oh, and also last but not least, today I will be unveiling my giveaway. I told you guys on my first Vlogmas that I upload, I am going to share with you guys what is going to be given away, and I'm so excited to be able to give it away to you guys. Yay! The giveaway is gonna last for 3 days in total, so the giveaway winner should be announced or picked that Saturday night or Sunday morning. I'm making it seem like it's gonna be one winner. There will be 2 winners. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the dishes. It's Vlogmas Day 5. How are you feeling? Are you excited for Vlogmas Day 5, sister? Yeah! Cute figure. So I'm gonna be showing a little clip of me cleaning because this is unacceptable, and yeah.
Yeah, we would really love a pan to cook my eggs in. That'd be great.
Well, you also could clean too.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
No, yeah, you want a thing?
Stop. Maybe you should have cleaned last night.
No, it's your day, all day.
All right, guys, so I just got done cleaning all of the dishes. It is so much better. I absolutely love, I don't know about y'all, but I love when I ain't got nothing to worry about or nothing to clean. A conscious mind, it just feels so good when nothing is dirty in your house. I hope you guys liked the decorations this year. It's just very simple and like just, you know, honestly, we took what we did last year, put the stockings on the wall. We have a different TV here because the other one was kind of giving problems. Same little reindeer and things, and then our little itty-bitty little baby Christmas tree. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and make myself some breakfast really quick because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all morning. Right now it's like 11:05, so I'm just like super duper hungry. And then while I do that, I'm gonna be uploading these videos onto my laptop so that I can go ahead and be productive and get this video out tonight for you guys. So I'll be right back. I am so full. That was so good. Like, turkey sausage, omelet, and roasted potatoes with spinach. So good. Y'all, I'm literally watching Disney Plus while trying to get all my work done at the same time. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my shower and like get myself looking a little bit less. What's up, you guys? So I just took the best shower of my life. That's like one of the best feelings in the world, to be clean and smelling good. Like, we have made it to the time where I am going to go ahead and share what is going to be in this giveaway for you guys. So like I said, there are 2 giveaway winners. The first place winner is going to receive this right here. Let me get it really quick. Okay. The first place winner is going to receive this bad boy right here. Guess what this is, you guys? I wanted to go ahead and make sure that let me put this down. So you guys know that I'm really into like making sure that people who want to start YouTube channels get the right information. And when people come to me about YouTube, I love when people ask me about it. Not everybody, because sometimes I can't answer back to everyone, but most people who ask me about it, I will be happy enough to just reply back to you and tell you, like, you know, why I started and what tips I have. I always talk about how I started off using natural sunlight and my iPhone 4. I did not have all that luxurious, you know, setup and equipment and all that stuff. So I am so excited to be giving away a ring light. Yes, this is the newer ring light. You probably heard about it on Amazon. So for those of you that do not have a ring light, or you maybe want to get another ring light to gift to someone else, but I really would love it if somebody, you know, if I chose someone that like literally did not have a ring light and you just never experienced this type of ring light quality, you will be getting the exact same one that I have, that I'm using right now. It is amazing. I love it. I've used softbox lights before. It comes in the yellow light and it also comes in white light. So excited to be gifting this to someone. That, and you will also be receiving 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 free clothing items of your choice on Shop Queenish website. So if you guys did not know, QueenishOnly.com is me and my sister's business. We are co-partners and we create clothing that is solely based on women empowerment. And you know, girls who are girl bosses, you just got your degree, you know, just all of our clothing has sayings and statements and words that we create ourselves that are corresponding to empowering our women, our queens. My second winner, you will be receiving 2 free clothing items of your choice on our website. This could be a sweatshirt, you guys, and this goes for the first place winner as well. It could be a sweatshirt, it could be, you can do an accessory if you want to, like sunglasses or something. It could be a t-shirt, it could be a hat. Choose whatever your heart desires, okay? That is the giveaway, and I hope you guys enter and take advantage of it. Like, who doesn't want a free ring light and free clothes? Like, the instructions are in the description box, but I'm also gonna go through it right now. So as I'm talking, y'all need to make sure y'all are following each instruction because I will check. Step number 1, follow Kiana Tracy, my Instagram page. Step number 2, follow Shop Queenish Instagram page. Step number 3, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, please. Like, I do not want to get, like, I know this is a giveaway for anyone, but if you just now came to my channel and I know you're liking it so far, you know, I just want to see if you actually are subscribed and active on my channel. Like, come on, this is a giveaway for my subscribers. I'm just excited to give away back to my subscribers. So if you ain't subscribed, then what you do? YouTubers can check to see if you are subscribed to the channel or not. I can check. Step number 4 is very, very simple. Leave a comment down below of your shirt size. That's all we have on our website anyways. It's just shirts, sweatshirts, and all that stuff. So leave a comment down below of your shirt size and what is your favorite thing about Christmas. And that's it. Basically, if you don't leave that comment, sis, with the what's your favorite thing that you love about Christmas and your shirt size, you didn't, like, I can't. That is the giveaway, and I cannot wait to pick the 2 lovely winners. You guys, good luck to every single one of you. I hope you enjoyed this, you know, day 5 of Vlogmas. Hope you guys enter the giveaway. Don't forget to follow the instructions, follow your girl on her socials, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas day 6. Bye. And a quick shout out to my little brothers, Christian, Jasik, Andre, Reese, Hunter. Love you guys. Christian told me to shout y'all out, but I love you guys. Just want to let you guys know that I love you. Peace out. Bye.